Welcome back to Midden Computer Trading Channel. In the last episode, we gave our videos a voice with text-to-speech AI. Today, we're going to look at a tool that feels like pure magic, AI Background Remover. Normally, you do need a green screen or advanced editing to cut out backgrounds, but with CapCut AI, you can do it in just one click. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so other beginners can discover how easy this is. Now let's get to the exciting part. Here's a quick preview of what we're about to do. We'll take this video with a busy background and with one click have the background removed. Then we'll add a completely different background and make it look like the video was recorded there. All with no special equipment, just a regular old computer. In CapCut Editor, drag a video with a busy background. For this demo, I'll use a clip of someone standing outside with a busy background. Now click on your video in the timeline. Next, go to the top menu and select Remove Background. Watch as CapCut AI starts processing. Within a few seconds, CapCut will remove the entire background. No green screen needed. You'll see your subject cut out and ready to place anywhere. Now the fun part, you can replace the background with anything you like. A city skyline, a classroom, or even a digital background. Just drag your new background image or video onto the timeline and place it behind your subject. If you notice rough edges, you can adjust them with CapCut's Refine Edge option. You can also add a shadow or blur effect to make the subject look more natural in the new background. When you're happy with the result, click Export and save your video. And just like that, you've created a professional background replacement without a green screen. Let's quickly recap. 1. Import your video. 2. Click Remove Background. 3. Let AI process. 4. Add a new background. 5. Refine edges. 6. Export. That's how you make your videos look like they were shot anywhere in the world. And that's how easy it is to use CapCut's AI Background Remover. No green screens, no complicated tools, just one click and you can transport yourself anywhere you want. In our next episode, we lines explore AI video enhancement, where you lines learn how to fix blurry videos and make them look sharper and more professional. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, what's your dream background? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.